Hi guys, I brought this camera from the internet, but it seems like flash doesn't work with the motion. It always on at the night, so I decided to convert it to motion detected flash. Let's start. Here is the circuit I designed. This 7805 voltage regulator added to convert the current from the 12 volt 5 volt. This capacitor is used to smooth the current from the regulator. Transistor is used to amplify the trigger current from the gas sensor. Here is the light indicator. This relay triggers the LEDs due to motion. This circuit also can use to light up the 230 or 150 bulb. Remove the regulator from the circuit and supply 5 volt power. Separate the relay switch from the main circuit and insert 230 of 150 power. Separate the light power output of the LDR circuit and insert this circuit into the middle. Here I already made the circuit. Here is the LDR circuit power input. Here is the LDR sensor output. Here is the LED output which is used to insert our circuit. Here is the circuit. This anodite is used to protect the circuit from the back EMF of the relay. Okay, let's check the circuit. Looks fine. Everything is okay. Let's assemble the camera. Casing of the camera is metal, so I tape out the circuit so it will protect the circuit from the external contact. Here I insert the PIR sensor into old webcam housing so it will protect the PIR sensor from the dust, and I can easily insert into the camera module. Insert some glue around the motion sensor so it will protect the sensor from the dust. Here I put the hole on the housing so I can adjust the sensitivity of the sensor. This is PIR adjustments. One is used to distance sensor, other one is used to time delay of the sensor. Everything is done. Let's check our camera. In the first time, camera lights will be on for few seconds and it will turn off. Then it will work with the motion.